Next, we're going to open up the lock-off and route the seat belt. You want to use the lock-off on the side of the vehicle seating position that's closest to where the seat belt is coming out. You're going to push down on the bottom red piece of the lock-off, push it all the way down, and take your thumb and push the front piece all the way forward. Then you're going to take your seat belt and you are going to route it over top of the metal bars. And right across the back there. You want to make sure when you're routing it that you're going over top of the back bar and that you're not catching the harness straps in between the seat belt and the bars. Extend the seat belt all the way over until you reach the buckle and click it in.